So let's get right to it and see the stocks that jumped really crazy at our support level that we talked about 2 days ago, where we hunted for that price value. We want to see if there's a potential for another jump again for those stocks. One of them are Chinese stocks that have heavily shorting position on them last 2 days. Right now we have a huge jump for them. So let's get right to it and see where the price will go and try to make some money, where to take a profit, where we're gonna see this selling pressure happening again, and how we make money during this unprecedented time where we have a lot of short interest and a lot of like fundamental come to the play. So let's get right to it and see what's going on. First off, let's kick our video with NEO. So for NEO, look what happened with NEO. We have the support around the 13. We said this box will be filled around the 13, and we spiked around today, and we talked about this almost 2 days ago around the 14th of March. Here we did the YouTube video, and hopefully you saw it because we talked about NEO and we said those one of the 5 stocks that would be jump high, and you can see here we predicted the price will accumulate a bit, then we're gonna see a spike and test around the 20, and if we go here we can see that NEO went until the $18 from the 13. So we have a nice jump, almost 40% for NEO, and we did a gap today. So what we should expect today, we have to hold this gap that we did to confirm the jump back for NEO and confirm that the price will not go below the 13 this time, which is right now is the 16, above the 16. So what we should expect right now, we see a bit of profit taking and short seller will come again. But if we want to confirm that the buying pressure is still there, we want to hold above the 16, then test the next potential level, which will be around the 19 and the 20. Here, the 21. This will be another test for NEO, a massive test. Next one, we have DWAC. We talked about it on the 13th of March, the day before that we did the other video for NEO. And what we said, the price, it was around 69, and we predicted the price will go around the 60, and boom, went the price, and we expected the price to have a jump around the $60. This was around the 13th of March on YouTube. We did the video, and guess what? The price visited the 60 and bounced back. Look what's happened. Perfect as we anticipated it to happen around the 13, and the price was around 69, went to 60, and we handled for the price around this level. Perfect bounce around this level, the 60. Right now we got rejected again, testing the 69. So the 69 right now is confirmed resistant, and the support is confirmed around the 60. So what we should expect, any price never go over the 69. This will confirm the selling pressure is still there, and the price might break the 60 this time. Just be careful. The 60 will turn the momentum or show where the direction for the market for the WAC. Are the short seller in control or the buyer or investor in control? So right now is the turning point, testing this ascending line from below. This is bearish sign. But if we still holding above the 60, we're gonna see accumulation, then we're gonna see a breakout and testing this time after we break the 83. Next up, we have Lucid as well. We predicted the price to be bought back around the 2076. We did it in our live streaming last time on Friday, 8 p.m. Paris time. If you didn't watch it, you have to watch the next live streaming that we're gonna do tomorrow, Thursday at 8 p.m. Paris time. So stay tuned because we hunt for stocks, crypto, and everything. And if you want to hunt with us daily, you can join us here on Patreon, where we predicted as well for muln stock to be having a support around the $1.54, and right now we're still testing this price that we predicted yesterday around the 15th of March and even before. So let's get right to it here. What's going on to Lucid? We said the 20 is the support. We visit this support around the 14th of March, and we jumped. Right now, what we expect after we did this jump after the 20. The 20 should be the support right now. And to confirm that we starting to reverse and turning point from this bearish momentum. You see this channel? After the massive sell-off that happened around the 26th of January, we want to see the breaking for this channel until the 25 this time. The 25 is the resistance. Any break in the 25, lucid is back. First sign for lucid is back. Then testing the 29. The 29 will be the or the 30 will be the squeeze area, because we have our exponential average here, and this will be turning point from bearish to bullish. Right now, the bottom for lucid should be around the 20, resistance 2568. Next up we have prog. Prog is still testing our support, as we said it, around the $1.12. $1.12 is the support, and every time we go below, we see a buying pressure below the $1. You see, we're still holding the $1. So $1 psychological level for prog. The resistance is the $1.46. Any price close above the $1.46 will be a bullish momentum, and we're gonna see another test around the $2 for prog. Otherwise, if we never overcome the $1.46, we're gonna have the price eventually we're gonna have the 87, where we're gonna have a lot of buying pressure. Alibaba, we said it, we're gonna have a buying pressure happening in this box. We talked about it in our live streaming as well for Baba and Lucid, and as we expected to happen last weekend, we talked about this buying pressure. This week we visited, and guess what? Alibaba is how much? 27% up. That's how we hunt. We hunt around this technical level. We don't buy when the price starting to go down. No, we starting when the price starting to reverse. How? This is how you make money. Right now, Alibaba have a resistance around the $1.20. I will be extra careful for this level of resistance, the 102. Any price get rejected, we see Alibaba continue to go down to test around the 88 and go back around the 80 to see accumulation phase here again. Any price go above the 102, we're gonna see another jump until 130, and 130 will be the squeeze or bullish momentum continuation for Baba. Lastly, we have MULN. This is will be like a bonus stock for you, because we got a lot of requests for MULN. We talked about it. This one, look what's happened. We do a double support right now around the $1.54. I will be extra careful because we need to hold above this support, as we said it here in our Patreon. We said we need to hold above the support here, the $1.54. We did it yesterday, and right now we visited. So what's gonna happen? Right now we have this ascending line for MULN. We want to hold this ascending line to confirm the bullish momentum. Otherwise, if we don't hold this line around the $1.37, because why the $1.37? This will be a test here above this ascending line, because if we don't, this will be a bearish sign and the continuation for bearish sign. If we hold the best sign, if we hold above the $1.54, by tomorrow we're gonna have the first signal for squeeze, which is closing above here, the $1.94. So the $1.94 will be the turning point. Then we're gonna have the first test, $2.58, then $3.50 if we just close above the $1.94. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and let's get ready to hunt. See you in the next update.